have a squishy package from Banggood.com. This is my very first squishy review package. So Banggood let me pick out a few squishies to review, and they also gave me some discount codes for you guys. So first is 8 Squishy, I think that's what it's called, to get 8% off an order of squishies, to get 20% off Vlampo squishies. And I will put all of Banggood's links down below and all of the links of each squishy I'm getting. Banggood is a China-based website. They sell so many squishies for really, really cheap prices. You guys totally need to check them out. Anyways, let's get started. Okay. I'm gonna start off with opening this.
I already know what's in here because I ordered it and I had no idea what was inside. So I had to open it and then I saw the squishy, but I didn't take it out or anything.
So the first squishy is Vlampo Pineapple Donut, and you get a random design, and I got the rainbow one, and this is so pretty. Okay, let's squish it. Oh my gosh, that's so squishy. It smells like pineapples. It smells so good. So it comes in another bag. This is so soft and it smells like pineapple. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love this. And the mail came late today, so the sun's going down. It's getting dark. Now on to this humongous packet. I can't talk. Oh. I'm just gonna let you guys have a peek. Look at all those squishies that's filled to the top with squishies. So the first thing I pulled out is this Rudy apple. This smells so good. I can't tell if it's like apple scented or if it's just like chemicals. Oh my gosh. This is so soft. Oh, this is so soft. This is probably one of my best feeling squishies. And I love how shiny it is. It's so gorgeous. On to the next squishy. So next is this Kamino Sheep, and I have been wanting one of these for a while. I think they're so pretty. It's so tiny, but I love the size. That's so squishy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take it out. I can't tell what this is supposed to smell like, but it smells really good. So here it is. This is so soft. Oh my gosh, and this is so soft and squishy. This is so pretty. It came with a little bit of defects, but that's okay. Oh my gosh! So the next squishy is this Kamino strawberry cake, and this is actually the design I wanted, so I'm really happy about that. The barcode kind of covers the packaging on the squishy, and I heard it's really hard to get off, but okay, let's just squish it. It's so soft. I don't know if it's scented or not. I think it is. And it's so squishy. This is huge. Oh my gosh. This is huge. It smells so familiar, like bread or butter or something. I can't tell. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. This is probably my favorite. Oh, I love this. This is probably my favorite. The next squishy that I pull out is this colossal bread. This one does not have resealable packaging, so I'm gonna have to go get scissors. So here it is. This is so huge. Okay, this is by Kamino. Oh, that's so squishy. My mom just brought me scissors. Thanks, Mom. Oh, it's has an indent because it was squished in the packaging. Oh, look at that huge indent. Look at this detail though. Oh my gosh. It's not too slow rising, but it's the perfect amount of slow risingness. I love this one, but it's so squishy. Okay, I love that. I love that one. I'm just gonna pick out a random one. So the next squishy that I pulled out is this Kamino Jumbo ice cream. It smells like strawberries or chemicals. I don't know. Oh, that is so soft and so squishy. I'm so sorry, squishy. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells like chemicals again, but not bad chemicals, you know? Oh my gosh. A lot of these all have very similar textures, but they're all like amazing textures, like really soft. The next squishy was this Kiratori cake roll, and I love the tag. Okay, let's squish. Whoa, that's so soft. It's not super slow rising, but I like how it's not super slow rising. Oh, the tag is so pretty and cute. Okay, let's squish it. Ooh, I like how it's not super slow rising. But the last squishy in this package, it's this Arini jumbo mango. I love this packaging. Let's squish it. I hate cutting these open. It smells like chemicals. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. It's so squishy and it's so smooth. That is it for my Banggood squishy package, and I absolutely love every single one of these squishies, and I would not have them without the amazing Banggood.com. So thank you so much for reaching out to me and asking me to review your squishies. Make sure to check out the discount codes. Again, they'll be linked down below along with every single squishy. If you saw any squishy in this video that you might want, make sure to check the links down below. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked it, and please hit that subscribe button if you want more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye!